Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Coromon game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coromon game on your device, and once you open it up, you will see the new game button as well as the Facebook, Discord and Twitter options. Go ahead and tap on either one of these buttons in order to sign up for your new account, and now you will be taken into the respective Facebook, Twitter or the Discord login portal. Once you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the Coromon game page. And within this page, all you will need to do is tap on the Allow Access button in order to allow access for the game to your social account. And now you will be logged in to your newly created account on Coromon game right away. Once you have logged in, you can start enjoying your game and also continue from your previously saved progress. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Coromon game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.